Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Today I got a cruise tip for you. We're here to talk about cruise tips. And what I want to talk about is verifying and checking your onboard spending account. Alright, so here's what happened. We just got off of Royal Caribbean's Adventure of the Seas. Enjoyed our cruise. And I do keep track of my onboard spending while I'm on the ship. However, after we left the ship, they mailed us the final statement from our onboard spending account, and I happened to notice there was an extra charge on there. One where they had charged us $50 for not returning a pool towel. Now, while on board, we did get towels 2 times. And the way it works is you take your SeaPass card up, you get the number of towels you need, they scan your card, you use the towels. When you're done, you take the towels back and they scan your card a second time. That way they know that you turned them in. Well, I did that both times. No issues, no problems. Didn't think anything about it. Got off of the cruise ship, got home. They emailed me my final statement, and bam, a charge for 1 pool towel, $50. Now, $50 seems a little high for a pool towel. Those must be some really, really special towels, but that's not the point of this. The point is making sure that if they do send you a final statement, not only should you be checking while you're on the ship, you need to read that final statement as well to see if any charges have been put on there that shouldn't be there. Now, the resolution, of course, was really easy. I called Royal Caribbean, let them know, hey, I got this charge on there I shouldn't have. They verified it, and they are refunding me the $50. No problems or issues with Royal Caribbean because, look, mistakes happen. There are millions of people that travel on cruise ships. I mean, millions and millions. And, you know, sometimes technology can be quirky. I returned the towel. They scanned my SeaPass card, but it still showed up. So even technology can be quirky. Mistakes can happen. Accidents can happen. So that is why it is super, super important that you are always checking your onboard account just to make sure that no charges got put on there that shouldn't be there. So that's our big important cruise tip, is always check your onboard account. Verify what you spent versus what is on there just to make sure that you don't have an extra charge on there later. And then you got to call the cruise lines, get it resolved, and wait for your refund. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.